It's Vlogmas Day 23. I thought, let me just start this vlog from my childhood home. I'm in my bed, although this bed's actually superseded me. No, superseded? This came after I'd already left home. But anyway, this is my bed. Matt is gonna be here soon, but for now, this is him. My little bunny. Hello. Um, sorry, I'm feeling a bit delirious. I had a field day of travel yesterday. Sorry, I'm still getting over this cough. I had a field day of travel yesterday and the flight was insane. I'm just gonna like rewind. I've got so much to catch you guys up on. So if I begin, I set off. My flight was at 1:45 yesterday. This is not like a time delay. Like the flight was all on time. Everything was fine. I went to Luton Airport for the first time because it's my closest one now, and it was actually totally fine. The last time I flew from Luton it was a complete nightmare, and I had to get a bus from the terminal to the like taxi, and it was just a hassle. But anyway, yesterday was totally fine. There was no traffic. I was able to get through security really quickly, so I had a couple of hours to sit in duty free. I did a little bit of shopping. I picked up a few Christmas presents and then got my flight. Nobody warned me that there was a big storm here, so it was literally red weather wind warnings in Edinburgh when I landed. And honestly, I was like saying my prayers on that plane. I was like saying my final goodbyes. I was like, this is it for me. I'm not going to make it home for Christmas. It was wild. When the plane was landing, it was like going all over the place. It was extremely stressful. I actually haven't told Matt about the bad weather. I think it's actually, the trees look totally fine outside now, but Matt's got a real, like, he gets quite anxious flying. And I was just thinking, if he was on this flight, I feel like he would have passed out. It was really scary. It was like one of those landings where like the plane is like dropping out the sky and like going like up and down, side to side. Anyway, so yeah, I landed yesterday. I was still not feeling very well. I had then a car journey back home. My mum and sister picked me up from the airport. Came back, had a nap on the sofa, had some of that, they're like, I'll put a picture on the screen of the pasta, but I had some of that pasta in like a bag. It's like in a blue plastic packet basically. And I would never normally eat something like that, but I was just like not feeling anything. The rest of the family actually had KFC, which is also very out of character, but my dad and brother were a bit hungover yesterday, so they wanted something greasy and it just wasn't what I was fancying. So I had some of that, lay on the sofa, watched a bit of Yellowstone, then got up this morning. I actually slept until 10:30 this morning. Can you believe that? It's actually wild. I had a lovely bath this morning as well, which was so nice. Then what else did I do? Oh, I wrapped my Christmas presents. So I wanted to actually talk you guys through what I picked up for everyone. I took clips as I was wrapping. I couldn't speak to camera because I just wasn't feeling it. But I wrapped everything, and I'll just tell you now actually what I got everyone. So if I remember correctly in order, I got my mum and sister a Bobbi Brown makeup brush, which I picked up in duty free. These are really nice makeup brushes. Like, they are so soft and just apply foundation so well. I always remember Lily Pebbles and Tanya Burr. I think it was Tanya Burr always used to use one as well. And I think Anna Edit used to use these makeup brushes and they look so nice. So I got my mum and sister one of those each. I also I got all my presents sent here so I could wrap them and not have to bring them up with me. But I also got my mum an Hourglass lipstick in that shade 110 cents, which is like my favourite one. Really annoyingly, I ordered two of them because I needed a new one, and Space NK sent me only one. So they were it was £72 for my total of my order, and they only sent me one. So anyway, I've complained and I hope that they're going to send me another one, or they're going to refund me. They should, surely. It's also really bad at Christmas, I find, just doing stuff like that. You just think, if I was really relying on, if I had that as like a gift for two separate people. Anyway, so I got that from my mum. I got my sister and Matt, when we were in Manchester, these really cool calendars. So they are from, I can't remember the name of the shop. If I know the name, I'll put it on the screen, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me know in the comments if you want any details of the calendar and I can have a look and like figure it out properly. But they are these like really cool like brutalist calendars that just look really trendy, and I love them. I got Matt one that was like buildings and architecture, and I got my sister one that had like flowers and architecture. It's really cool. So I got them for those two. I also got, what else did I get for my sister? For my sister, I got her a cool pair of like Damson Madder socks and a scrunchie as well, and the Bobbi Brown makeup brush. Then for Matt, what else did I get him? Oh, I got him a pair of Arc'teryx Arc'teryx, sorry. Arc'teryx gloves that have not arrived yet. So they're arriving today, which is really annoying. I stupidly ordered them from a website that was based in Europe. So they've taken like 2.5 weeks to arrive. It's just ridiculous. Brexit is just one of the worst things that's ever happened to this country, to be honest. But that's a whole other kettle of fish that we could get into. Yeah, sorry. So the gloves haven't arrived yet. They're arriving today. But I also picked him up one of these. It's from the company Black Lines, but it was like quite a cool alcoholic eggnog, and he loves eggnog lattes. Like that's his thing from Starbucks when it gets to like winter. He loves an eggnog latte. So I thought, let me just get him some of that. I actually saw that through an Instagram ad, but the company is Black Lines. They do like all these different cool cocktails and bits and pieces like that. So I got that for him. What then for my dad, I got him a personalized notebook from Papier. This is a really nice gift, by the way, if you're looking for any birthday presents. It's obviously too late now for Christmas, but any birthday presents or presents like throughout the year next year comes in a really nice box, and you can get the initials embossed on the front. So I got my dad's initials embossed on his, and then I got him a little Astronaut of London keyring, which is lovely. What else? Oh, I got my brother a pair of Solomon gloves for skiing as well. And that's everyone, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's everyone. That's all my presents. I also watched a bit of Delia, which was so nice. And then I also made the most delicious smoked salmon and cream cheese bagels for me and my dad this morning. So mum and dad went to do the M&S food shop, you know, the big Christmas food shop. Actually, I'll insert some clips of what they picked up because they got loads of nice bits. They got some nice hummus, what else, like little antipasti bits, and just delicious, all sorts of delicious dips and crisps and stuff. So they went to do the big M&S food shop, and they picked up bagels while they were there because I asked for some bagels, and they got these like high protein ones from M&S, and they are delicious when you toast them. I mean, you know, I'm not big into like counting macros and stuff like that, but these protein bagels were incredible, and obviously good to get extra protein. And they were like sourdough, so when you toasted them, it was just like crispy but fluffy and chewy. They were so nice and not too sweet either. Sometimes I find those New Yorker ones really sweet, so I made them for me and my dad with some like smoked salmon, loads of cream cheese. I used some lemon juice that was from a bottle just because I didn't see the actual lemons. Like mum actually did get fresh lemons, but I just saw it in the fridge and I just put lemon juice. I wish I'd just used fresh lemon juice. Then I put some dill and some black pepper. Oh my god, it was delicious. So that's been my morning so far. It's been so lovely. I'm also going to make some sausage rolls today, which is going to be good. But I need to go downstairs because my mum and dad brought me back a Starbucks toffee nut latte. So let's go and get that. My throat is burning again. Coffee. Coffee time. Wait, did I show you guys the tree? I can't remember if I showed you the Christmas tree. It's actually so nice, Mum. Mm-hmm. You did a really good job this year.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
These are Matt's gloves. Actually, let me open these. Maybe I should have got Jack the Arc'teryx ones as well.
What did you get, Jack? You got Matt the Arc'teryx.
I got Jack Solomon. Jack's not even got me a present, so they're cool. These are Matt's final gift. I need to wrap these.
They don't look big enough for that. That's a nice make.
Granda's hearing's not very good, is it?
No. It's so bad, Jessica.
You should get a little hearing aid. Like Meredith.
Yeah,
okay, we're in the kitchen. We're going to make our sausage rolls. Sorry about the background. Mum is just doing her bits and bobs, putting stuff in the bin. Mum. Okay, it's going to be loud in here, but that's just part of being home for Christmas. We have some Just Roll puff pastry. We've actually gone for the gluten-free edition. We're not sure why, because no one's gluten-free, but we have some gluten-free sausage rolls today. So let's see how we get on with those. I don't know anybody that makes their own pastry nowadays, and I'm not about to start doing it. So we're going to roll out our puff pastry sheets. You're actually meant to leave this at room temperature for 10 minutes before you cook with it, but we're just going to do it gently. We also have some, please excuse my dad bellowing, and we also have some...
4:45? Right.
This is a pre-seasoned...
What?
Dad, stop it! This is a pre-seasoned sausage meat. It's got seasoned and succulent black pepper and herbs. I'm going to actually add some rosemary and little bits and pieces to this, but that's how it's looking for now. Yep. Okay guys, here are the finished sausage rolls. I'm going to take them through. It's just my mum and Granda here just now. The finished sausage rolls are ready.
Oh, that mince meat is beautiful.
We need some napkins. Is there any napkins? Okay, now for my taste test.
Kind of Benedetto tea. Really good.
Probably need a bit of ketchup.
Mm.
Oh my god, so yummy.
So yummy. You need to keep that one then.
iPhone does it for you.
Oh, does it?
My granddad's got his year review of Apple. He's got his best memory photos coming up on his phone. He thinks my mum put it there. I just want to jump on quickly and say thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you tomorrow for the Christmas Eve vlog. Bye.